Here's a pair of the Beats Solo Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using right here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing is, let's go to the settings on your Android phone. So I'm going to go to settings, and then we want to go to Bluetooth. On this model here, I'm going to go to connections, and I'm going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And now you can see under paired devices, I have a lot of other devices, headphones and watches paired. But if I look below here under available devices, everything under here is in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, so now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode. It's still scanning up there. You can see that little twirly thing. So let's put this in pairing mode. Okay, let's go ahead and open these up. Make sure both buds are in. Okay, now once you hear this special chime, this special sound, then you'll know it's in pairing mode. Okay, so we can hold, it doesn't matter, we can use either bud, but there's a button, invisible button on top. So we're just gonna, and you can feel it when you press it, you can kind of feel it. Okay, so we're gonna press and hold one of them. Doesn't matter which one. Ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. Now when you hear that sound, that indicates it's in pairing mode. Okay, and then from here, we get this up here. We can go ahead and tap on connect to connect, or if this doesn't pop up, no problem. You can just go back here under available devices and just look for it under here. We're going to wait till it shows up down there. Beats Solo Buds. Okay, now it says pairing. We'll get that pairing request. There it is. Tap on pair. Voila, we are connected. Now, if you had issues pairing connecting, you can always factory reset this. If you need to do that, look in the description below, right?